Is everyone okay?
Dude's been hit!
Got shot in the arm. Yeah, my leg's broken.
Oh, we gotta get you some help.
Marcus! Those guys that ambushed us, they're coming. You remember this thing?
Right.
Nick, hold them off while I do some triage. There's guns in the trunk.
You got it.
Now for the record, this place has changed. A lot.
This is our plan B.
Get out of there!
That's all.
Hey, you okay?
I need you to do me a favor. Tony's a hunter, so I could use a diversion. Decided I kinda hate the desert.
So you're not coming with us?
We can get you to a hospital.
Nah, you seem kinda busy. Airfield's that way, you better hurry.
Hey, Dooney.
Oh yeah. Good luck. See you around? And tell Tony I think he's a Wang.
Hey, you wanna check out that burnt out house before we go? That fire looks kinda recent. I told you Dune's good people.
But Dad's gonna come after us with everything he's got, you know.
Not if we leave first. It's an airfield, right? Maybe we'll find a plane.
So, what did Dune mean when she said Tony keeps all his crap at this airstrip?
Tony's always kinda collected shit. The less legal, the better.
Really? So what are we talking about here?
Military black market shit. Tanks, choppers. He's even got a couple of private planes. Tony's got a lot of money, man. Drug stuff. Plus he's real literal about his Second Amendment rights. that's it. The old airfield. Keep going. Airfield's just ahead. You know, I find it hard to believe you were a cop.
Yeah, well, my dad was a cop too.
For real?
But not the kind you're thinking of. You know the SDE? Cuban secret police?
Oh, okay. Wait, so what? You followed in his footsteps?
Hey, you tell me, man. His job was torturing prisoners. And he liked to bring his work home, you know what I mean? That's why I became a cop. A real cop.
Sorry, man. I'm sorry that didn't work out.
Well, it turns out you don't have to be a cop to stop people like him. Time to walk. Come on.
Hello. Woo! Oh yeah, she's pretty and banged up, but I can fix it.
Yeah, I'm not sure I want to fly a broken plane you fixed. No offense.
Man, what you trying to say, man? Are you doubting Boomer? Man, get out of here. I can fix this.
I'll go find the brute. Radio's on, all right?
Radio's on.
Shit. Boomer. Tony's guys are already here.
Do you see like a warehouse across the way?
Yeah, it's barricaded.
You can't sneak in?
Oh, hang on. Hey, I think I got an idea. Might be a little loud.
Nick! You said loud! Not nuclear!
Oh, shit! Where are these guys coming from? Boomer, where we at? I can't do this forever!
But this shit is kinda complicated, man!
Okay, so will we die if we take that plane up now?
That is an excellent question!
Boomer, I got the brute.